Hello and welcome to Wolver Channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a complete token from A to Z, step by step, on any blockchain you want. Subscribe, like, share the video. Let's begin. First, open your browser and go directly to remix.eth. This is your engine to deploy and create any token on any blockchain, except Solana. Step 2, create a new file and name it something like mytoken.sol. The .sol is important, so don't miss it. Paste your smart contract in it. The smart contract is the base of the token. Don't have one? Reach me on Telegram. My Telegram is in the description below, and I'll arm you with something powerful. Step 3. Compile your smart contract. Go to Compiler tab and hit Compile. See the green button. That means you're on the right way. Step 4. Deploy your token. Connect your wallet. Select your blockchain on the wallet. Which blockchain you want to deploy on. Copy that big number at the top of the smart contract. That is the FYE value and is very important to run the deployment smooth. Select the name, supply, and symbol. After that, hit deploy or transact, confirm the transaction, and boom. Here we go. You have it. The final step is go to contract address here below and copy it. Then go to your wallet and hit Import Token. Select the blockchain that you deployed on, ETH, BSC, Base, Polygon, etc., and paste your contract address. Done. Now you have it. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share the video. Again, if you need the smart contract, hit me up on Telegram, and I'll present you with something special. Peace out.